Hello traders, this is Umar with you and hope you had a nice weekend. So last month if you see we really made a good profit, and if you know last month many traders lost because of the volatile. Nifty was highly volatile. It was going from 17,000 to 18,000 all the way up and down. Very few lucky people made money last month, right? So we were one of the luckiest people, so we were able to manage to do some circus and try to manage to make a good profit. But what I see is coming month also, September was highly volatile. October, it seems to be a very calm month, right? It should be a very calm month. You cannot expect the market to be volatile every month on month. So for the two trading session, that is on Friday and today itself, I can observe and that the markets are likely to go on the upside only. And if you have been following our channel, on September 29th I posted a video that the bulls are intact and we are likely to go on the upside. And if you see on the Friday, last Friday, even though market was crashing, it gapped down, came all the way down to 17,000. Actually it traded below 17,500 or 17,450 levels. Now 17,500 was a crucial support. Every people believe that 17,500 is going to be a good support, and that acted as a good support. Once Nifty touched 17,450, what happened is we saw sharp buying, and Nifty was able to close above 17,500. Now if you see it in a candlestick perspective, that's called a doji pattern, and what has happened today is really interesting. We saw a gap up, Nifty was able to sustain the gap up, and it has closed on the higher side, right? It has closed around somewhere where around 17,000 700 levels, right? So it has sustained the gap up and it was able to close above 17,700. So that alone itself is a good bullish sign. And people were talking about this US federal treasury yield, so everything is gone. I think if you see last Friday, Dow was able to close 400 points in a positive, and if you see today open interest, everything is on a positive side. There are good amount of put writing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, which we are going to see in a short period in this video, and everything is positive. There is no reason to be bearish, and don't be bearish, try to be positive. And if you see the India VIX crashed exponentially today. For the last two trading session, it has been crashing. We did a strangle on Friday, and see what has happened. Excellent money. Last 2 days India VIX has crashed drastically from around 18 or 19 levels. It has come to around 15 levels, right? Yeah, around 15 levels, I think. Let us check. Yeah, from around 19 levels, the lowest was around 15.545. So India VIX crashing like this is a good sign, right? Obviously a good sign. Whenever India VIX is crashing, it is evident that the market participants are bullish, and the fear is becoming lower and lower among market participants. So markets are likely to go on the upside only. And if you see the open interest, as I told you, there's a good amount of put writing both in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. So that alone signifies that markets are likely to go on the upside. Anyway, if you see the historical option chain, that is for 7th expiry or October expiry, it tells us a different story, that there is a good call writing in 18,000 call option, 17,800, 17,700. Now I feel it's kind of going to be a big hard for bulls to take the market to 18,000. But we have to wait and see what is going to happen tomorrow. If things are fine tomorrow, we should be touching 18,000 or maybe even lifetime high. If you see the weekly option in Bank Nifty, it's also same story. There is aggressive call rating in 38,000 and 37,500. So I think many people are believing Bank Nifty to come down. That's why they are writing 37,500, right? Maybe. Maybe I don't know, or maybe they are doing a short straddle at 37,500, or it's like bank nifty is around 37,500, right? So we'll have to wait and see what is going to happen. Things are positive, you don't have to worry, right? Now if you see the US futures are really flat. I think Dow is down by 100 points, Nasdaq, S&P, all are flat. Not deep in the red, but it is flat. So we'll have to wait and see how European markets and Asian markets span out. So hopefully we should see a good move on the upside in the coming days. So that is our stance, and we stand by that. Even though we tell many things, let me tell you, we are not taking any directional strategies. As an option seller, wherever the market goes, we are doing non-directional strategies, and if the market moves, we try to manage this one, right? See, there are three possible scenarios. One, the market has to go on the upside, the market has to move on the sideways, and the market has to go on the downside, right? Out of these three scenarios, if two scenarios happen, we are going to make money, right? Either the market has to go up, we will make adjustment and make money, or the market has to go sideways. Both scenarios we will make money. Say it in the other way: if the market goes down, we will try to make adjustment and make money, and if the market is sideways, we don't have to do anything and we will make money. So out of two scenarios we are going to make money. So that's why we are here, and we are trying to do many adjustment, and that is why this channel is existing, right? So let me know what you think, and I think that's it for today. And if you see this FIA data, so FIAs have been really flat since Friday. So Friday they have bought for 131 crores, and DIAs have sold for 613 crores. So coming days also we should wait and see what is going to be the FIA, how they stand. So for the last week alone, FIAs have sold for more than around I think 5,000 crores, more than 5,000 crores. So this week we have to see, and DIAs have bought for more than 6,000 crores. So this week we have to see how if the FIAs are supporting or not. If we are getting support from FIAs, we may go on the upper side, right? So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.